A great plant to add to your landscape this spring is the Pugster buddleia. This butterfly bush is a compact variety that comes in several different colors. It comes in a blue, a pink, a white, and an amethyst. Pugster's called Pugster because it's a compact, just short and stocky, cute little thing that comes small size, but with the large flowers of a normal buddleia or butterfly bush. Now, as the name implies, butterflies love this shrub. It grows best in full sun, well-drained soil. It will bloom from spring through the summer and throughout the fall. If you want to encourage more blooms, as these are spent, you can just pluck them off. It's going to bloom and bloom and bloom. It's just a gorgeous addition to the landscape. Again, this is a deciduous shrub, compact dwarf, with beautiful flowers that attract butterflies and sometimes hummingbirds for the nectar. Doesn't require much maintenance, not a whole lot of insects or disease has been reported for these. The Pugster buddleia, they're just a great, lovely addition to your garden. Beautiful flowers. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.